Imagine if something as simple as walking could lead to a leaner, healthier you. No intense workouts, no heavy equipment, just the natural power of walking. Yes, walking. But this isn't just any walking. These are scientifically backed techniques that maximize fat burning and boost your metabolism. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 powerful walking techniques that can help you lose weight faster than you ever thought possible. So lace up your shoes and let's get moving toward a slimmer you. Walking is often underrated when it comes to weight loss, but it's one of the most accessible and effective ways to burn fat and shed extra pounds. Not only is it low impact, meaning it's easy on your joints, but it's also incredibly adaptable to any fitness level. You can start right now and see real results without needing a gym membership or fancy equipment. Plus, walking outside offers mental benefits, fresh air, and sunlight. So get ready to supercharge your walking routine with these 10 transformative techniques that will help you melt away the pounds. Number 1, interval walking. The first technique is interval walking. This is one of the most effective ways to boost your calorie burn while walking. Interval walking is all about switching up your pace. Walk at a moderate pace for 2 minutes, then increase your speed for 1 minute. Keep alternating between moderate and fast speeds. The science behind it is simple. When you vary your intensity, your body has to work harder, which means you burn more calories. Plus, intervals keep things interesting and challenging, so you're less likely to get bored. Aim to do intervals for at least 20 minutes a day to start seeing noticeable changes in your body. Number 2, incline walking. Next up is incline walking. If you can find a hill or just the incline on a treadmill, this technique will maximize your workout. Walking uphill requires more energy, which means you burn more calories. Plus, incline walking targets different muscle groups, especially in your legs and glutes, giving you a full lower body workout. Start by walking at a comfortable pace on a hill or set the treadmill incline to 5%. After a few days, increase the incline or find a steeper hill. You'll feel the burn, but you'll also see the results faster. Number 3, walking with weights. Our third technique is walking with weights. By adding a bit of resistance, such as small dumbbells or ankle weights, you're making your muscles work harder with every step. This extra effort helps to tone your arms and legs while increasing the number of calories you burn. However, it's important not to go too heavy on the weights. Start with light weights around 1 to 2 pounds per hand or ankle, and gradually increase as you get stronger. Remember to keep a steady pace and focus on your form. Walking with weights is an excellent way to intensify your workout without putting additional strain on your joints. Number 4, power walking. Power walking is all about adding energy and purpose to your stride. With power walking, you walk faster than your usual pace, but still keep it manageable. Aim for a speed that makes you feel slightly out of breath, but still able to hold a conversation. This faster pace increases your heart rate, burns more calories, and improves cardiovascular health. Keep your arms bent at 90 degrees and swing them back and forth to add extra momentum. Try power walking for 20 to 30 minutes daily and watch the calories melt away. Number 5, walking backwards. It may sound unusual, but walking backward is a fantastic way to activate different muscles, improve balance, and increase calorie burn. When you walk backward, your body has to use different muscles to stabilize itself, meaning you'll work areas that don't typically get targeted with forward walking. Start with short distances and make sure to walk in a safe, flat area where you won't trip. This technique may feel awkward at first, but with practice, it can become an effective tool in your weight loss journey. Number 6, the arm swing boost. This technique focuses on using your arms to boost your walking intensity. Many people ignore their arms while walking, but swinging your arms increases your overall movement, raising your heart rate and burning more calories. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle and swing your arms back and forth as you walk. The key is to stay relaxed and avoid tensing up. This arm swing not only helps you burn more calories, but also works your upper body, giving you a more complete workout. Number 7, fasted morning walks. Walking on an empty stomach in the morning is another powerful technique for weight loss. Known as fasted cardio, this method taps into your body's stored fat as an energy source since you haven't eaten in several hours. Studies suggest that fasted morning walks may help burn up to 20% more fat than if you walked after a meal. Make sure to drink water before heading out and aim for a moderate pace. A 20 to 30-minute fasted walk each morning can make a big difference over time. Number 8, walking meditation. Weight loss isn't just about physical exercise. The mental aspect is crucial too. Walking meditation helps keep stress in check, which can directly impact weight loss. Stress can lead to overeating and other unhealthy habits, so managing it is key. As you walk, focus on your breathing and clear your mind. Notice each step, each breath, and let go of worries. Try to practice walking meditation for 10 to 15 minutes, either before or after your main walking session. This technique helps you stay focused, reduces stress, and supports healthy weight loss habits. Number 9, posture-perfect walking. Good posture can actually help you burn more calories. When you walk with proper posture, you engage your core muscles and improve your alignment, which can increase your calorie burn. Stand tall with your shoulders relaxed, head held high, and avoid slouching. Keep your core tight and make sure each step feels strong and stable. This not only helps you burn calories, but also prevents unnecessary strain on your joints, making your walk more effective and comfortable. Number 10, consistent long walks. Finally, one of the simplest yet most effective techniques is to incorporate longer walks consistently into your routine. Aim for at least 45 minutes to an hour each time. Longer walks at a steady pace allow your body to burn fat as a primary energy source, especially after the first 30 minutes. Make it a habit to go for a long walk at least 3 times a week, and you'll notice a steady reduction in weight. You can even combine other techniques like interval walking or power walking within your longer walk to keep things interesting. Conclusion: walking for weight loss is simple yet powerful when you know the right techniques. By adding these 10 powerful walking strategies to your routine, you'll see amazing results without the need for complicated workouts or equipment. Whether you choose interval walking, fasted morning walks, or even walking backward, each of these techniques offers unique benefits to help you reach your weight loss goals. Remember, the key is consistency. Stick to these techniques, make walking a daily habit, and watch the weight drop off. So grab your sneakers, pick a technique, and start your journey to a healthier, leaner you today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming health and fitness tips. Let us know in the comments which walking technique you'll try first. Happy walking, and we'll see you in the next video.